So now let's see how we can work around with Hurl Noise inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with Hurl Noise, you need to go around under Filter menu right here, and then what you need to do is you need to go around onto Noise right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that Hurl is an option, and if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is the noise that you have with Hurl. It's colorful, as you can see right here, colorful spots right here, just like this. I can go around and randomize this particular Hurl Noise, as you can see right here, get more colorful spots or less, as you can see. And you can go around and repeat this out as well, just like this. You can go around and decrease it or increase this out, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and change around the random seed over here as well, or utilize the blending mode around over here as well. Like you can go around and lighten it, you can darken it, and so forth right here, just like this. So that is what you have that you can see, and this is how you can see the Hurl Noise, which is a bit of colorful spot. You can change around the opacity over here as well and see the before and after by looking at the preview or by working around with the split view around over here, just like this. So if you want to apply it, simply go around and press OK, and the noise will be applied right here. So they are like colorful spots that you can go around and then work around with. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.